In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Microsoft OneDrive to DocuSign step by step. If you want to quickly access your OneDrive files while sending envelopes, streamline your document workflow, and keep everything synced in one place, this setup is essential. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you can get it done in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin permissions because you'll need access to the admin settings to connect external apps like Microsoft OneDrive. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, look toward the top navigation menu and click on Admin. This will take you to the admin dashboard where you can manage account settings, users, permissions, and integrations. Inside the admin section, find and click on Connections. The Connections area is where you manage integrations between DocuSign and other applications. This is where we'll set up the Microsoft OneDrive connection. After you're on the Connections page, look for the option that says Connect New App. Go ahead and click on Connect New App to start adding a new integration to your DocuSign account. You'll now see a list of available applications that you can connect. Scroll through the list or use the search feature to find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you see Microsoft OneDrive, click on it to begin the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to type a name for this connection. This name is just for internal reference, so you can choose something simple and clear like OneDrive Integration or Company OneDrive. Enter the name in the provided field so you can easily recognize this connection later if you need to manage or edit it. After entering the name, click on Log into App. At this point, you'll be redirected to Microsoft's login page. Sign in using the Microsoft account that is associated with your OneDrive storage. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Microsoft accounts. Microsoft will then ask you to grant permissions so DocuSign can access your OneDrive files. Review the requested permissions carefully. Typically, this allows DocuSign to view and access files, so you can attach them to envelopes. If everything looks correct, click Accept to authorize the connection. Once you approve the permissions, you'll be redirected back to DocuSign. Your Microsoft OneDrive account should now be successfully connected. From this point forward, when you create and send envelopes in DocuSign, you'll have the option to import documents directly from your connected OneDrive account, making the process much faster and more efficient. And that's it! You've successfully connected Microsoft OneDrive to DocuSign. Now you can seamlessly pull in documents from the cloud without downloading and re-uploading files every time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials on DocuSign, Microsoft tools, and other productivity software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.